Hello friends, welcome back. So here are the four different cases. A straight line is parallel to both VP and HP. Second case, a line is on both HP and VP. Third case is a line is perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP. And the fourth case is line is perpendicular to VP and parallel to HP. So let us try to understand with an example, okay? And I'll try to show you a small model which I have tried so that you could understand in a better way. So let me try and give you a model, okay? See, this is my first quadrant projections, okay? In the first quadrant we have here HP, this is my HP and this is my VP, right? This is my VP. This is my origin or XY line. If I say the straight line is on HP or on VP or in HP, in VP means what? The straight line is in origin, or this is my XY reference line, okay? So see the first case, line is parallel to both VP and HP. What is first case? Line is parallel to both VP and HP. So how, imagine this pen as a straight line. Imagine this pen as a straight line. Now how should I put a straight line such that it satisfy this one, that is line is parallel to both VP and HP. Now if I put a straight line in this way, then this straight line is perpendicular to HP, this line is perpendicular to HV, whereas this is also perpendicular to VP. So this is not satisfying. I'll say again, if I put a straight line here like this, then this straight line, this pen is what we can say, perpendicular to HP, whereas perpendicular to VP. But if I put my pen in this way, so this pen is what? Just think how. If I put my pen in this way, you could see that this straight line is parallel to both HP, whereas in VP. So how? So this is our, so let me try how to show you in a better way. So this is the way, okay now? So if I put a straight line here in this way, so this pencil, this straight line is what? Is parallel to HP. If see, I'm putting here, this line is parallel to HP, whereas parallel to VP, parallel to HP, parallel to VP. Now if you look this straight line from front side, so if I put, imagine this is my straight line, okay? This is my straight line. So if I put the straight line in this way, and if I look from front view, if I look from here, if I look from this side, so in front view you can see this point and this point. What does it mean? Means the whole straight line is visible. The whole straight line is visible, okay? In front view, the whole straight line is visible. Now if you look the same thing from top, the whole straight line is visible. So when the line is parallel to both HP and VP, you could see now this line is parallel to HP and VP. So when you look this straight line from front view and the image of this, the whole straight line is visible. Even from top view, this straight line is visible, both are visible. Okay, so in that case, how would my straight line be? So let me write this straight line. So remember that in front view the whole straight line is visible, and in top view also the whole straight line is visible. So I'll write its front view and top view. So in this case, if this is my xy, and as we discussed that if everything should be done in first quadrant. So in first quadrant, if you remember the basics, in first quadrant the front view is above the xy and top view is below xy. So if I'm looking this from a front view, the whole line is visible. So I'll write a line a dash b dash. I'll just project it down. Next, the top view, if you look the same straight line from top, the whole straight line will be visible. So the top view would be here, a comma b. This is my front view, this is my top view. This is first case. What is second case? Line is on both HP and VP. What does it mean? It means that the straight line is at the origin, So when the straight line is at the origin, let us take the point is here and here. This is the point at the origin. So if you look from front view, the whole length, the whole dimension of the straight line would be visible, and even if you look from top, the whole length or the dimension of the object would be visible. So what were in second, in this case, if this is my xy, since it is on HP and VP, a dash b dash, this is my front view, and again at the same point a comma b, this is my top view. Okay, so if the line is on both HP and VP, the front view and the top view lies on the same xy line, because it is on both HP and VP. Next, what is third case? Line is perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP. Line is perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP. So how should we fix? So if you see this line is what? Perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP. Okay, if you look at this point, okay, this straight line is perpendicular to HP, whereas parallel to VP. Obviously you are not able to see the whole length. Why? Since you are seeing from top view, what you are able to see? You are able to see only this one. You are able to see only this one. Okay, you are able to see only this one, but the point which is behind this is not visible. Let's take an eraser. Okay, so if I put an eraser here, okay, so this eraser, if I put an eraser, this eraser is perpendicular to HP, whereas parallel to VP. Now since it is perpendicular to VP and perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP, if you look this eraser from front view, I'm turning. So if you look this eraser from this side, front view means what? This side. Okay, if you're looking this eraser, this straight line from this, you can see whole eraser, okay, whereas if you look the same eraser from top view, see, now in this video you are able to see top view of the eraser, right? What you're able to see? You're able to see only this portion. Are you able to see the length of this eraser? No. You're able to see only top portion and the hidden bottom portion. I'll say again. In this case, you can see that this eraser is perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP. So in this case, if you look this eraser from front view, you can see the whole length. Now the same eraser, see, if you look from top view, obviously in the video the top view is what? Here you are looking this one from top view. You can know only this shape of the top and the bottom, though bottom is hidden, but you could see only this top. The length of the eraser is not shown. So in the third case, when the line is perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP, what happens? If this is my XY, obviously this is all in first quadrant, no? So in first quadrant, FV is front view is above and top view is below. So when I'm looking this eraser from front view, I am able to see whole length. I'm able to see whole length, right? A dash, B dash. I'm able to see the whole length. Since it is perpendicular to HP, now see this here, this is perpendicular to HP. Now if I look the same eraser from top, only this portion is visible and bottom portion is visible. So at the same point I will have A comma B. This is my top view, this is my front view. That is third case. What is the fourth case? Line is perpendicular to VP and parallel to HP. The fourth case is what? Line is perpendicular to VP and parallel to HP. Okay, look at this one. This line is perpendicular to VP. See, it is perpendicular. And parallel to HP means what? If you see the length from here to here is same. So this straight line is perpendicular to VP and parallel to HP. So in this case, if I am looking from front view, from this side, I am able to see only this one. Whereas if I look from top in the video, the top view of the straight line is visible. So if you look from top, what's happening? You are seeing from here to here. Means what? You are seeing the total length of the straight line, right? You are seeing the length of this straight line. In which view? In top view. But in front view you could see only this one, though the behind portion exists but it's not visible. Okay, now let us give an example with this eraser. Eraser, right? I have put here. Now if I have put here, if I'm looking this from a front view, from my front view, I can see only this portion. Front view. I could see only this portion, right? I could see only this portion, though this portion exists but it's invisible. But if I look the same eraser from top, the whole length is visible. So in this case, how you'll get? This is my XY front view, only this portion is visible. A dash comma B dash, this is my front view, and in top view the whole length is visible. So A comma B. I know this is a bit tricky, please try to understand, but still if doubt exists, please comment me. I'll try to say in another way. Please subscribe and share my channel. Thank you.